afternoon. We're having 50-mile, I'm guessing, winds here. I'm walking behind Euclid High School. Everyone swim there. And hopefully you'll be able to hear some things other than a rumbling sound, which is a very, very heavy wind. There's some birds over there, some Canadian geese. Praise the Lord. Thanksgiving is in 3 days. Can you see the Canadian geese?